So, something really suspicious happening in regards to another one of Epstein's former victims. I had told you guys before that the victims are tired of waiting and they're going to be making their own list. So, if they start disappearing, we need to pay attention to that. This was Jessica Collins. As of 2 days ago, she was on a Carnival cruise and then went missing, apparently telling the crew she did not want to be found after vanishing on a Caribbean island. Does anyone else find that to be pretty fucking odd? So, police in Bonaire, a Dutch Caribbean island, are still trying to locate the 47-year-old American woman who did not return to the Carnival cruise ship, but was seen on camera looking like she was being followed, constantly looking back and looking over her shoulder. This shit ain't adding up.